Now that we're done detailing the taper, we could comb the hair down and work on the front line. We're going to use our Gold FX to start off in the middle and work our way to the sides. We're also going to go as slow as possible, making sure that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Now that we're done putting a line in, we can go back to the taper and detail as much as possible. Now we're going to match the right side to the left side, and we're going to go back to the middle and work our way to the side. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Durban premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. Now that we're done applying shave gel, we can stretch the skin as much as possible with the opposite hand while keeping the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. We're also going to be doing his eyebrows. I like starting at the top and then working my way to the bottom. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or follow the Instagram. Appreciate it. Before we begin to line him up, I'm going to debulk the hairline with my clipperable comb method. Now that we're done removing the excess hair, we can start off with our Gold FX right in the middle and work our way to the sides. I always make sure I go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair's going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Before I'm done lining him up, I'm going back to the fade and I'm detailing as much as possible. Moving on to the C cup, we're going to start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch, and we're also going to go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Now we're going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and we're going to make sure we keep the corners as natural as possible. We don't want to take the vertical bars too deep in. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, you can go ahead and leave your super thanks down below or follow my Instagram. Now that we're done with our C cups, we can move on to the sideburns, and I started off with my no guard all the way open, slightly closing the liver, attacking that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Now I'm moving on to the back of the beard, and I'm using my Goat FX to make it as crispy as possible. Make sure to go slow that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer.